Hello, my reading friends. How are you today? My name is Stephanie, and this is my friend Nini. This is my very first read aloud, so I'm so glad that you're able to join us today. I was a little nervous at first, however, I practiced some rainbow breathing, and now I feel ready to begin. The book I'm reading today is very special to me, as it's my first published children's book. I would love to dedicate my first read aloud to all of you who may be going through some obstacles or challenges, big or small, who may feel disappointed, anxious, lonely, scared, or anything in between. May this book bring some comfort to you and, serve as a reminder that we can navigate through anything and we can do it together. Myself and Nini actually have some tools to share, so why don't you grab your imaginary steering wheel, and if you have a copy of Buckle Up, go ahead and grab it and read along with us. For the next little while, I would love for you to think about, what does self-control mean for you? So, if you're ready, we're ready, let's begin. Buckle Up, a children's imaginary journey about self-control. Written by Stephanie Scott, which is me, illustrated by Olga Baranova. Hi, I'm Nini. Yes, I am a bird. I'm going to be flying right beside you to guide you through a little road trip as you take up the driver's seat. You might be thinking, me? Drive? But I'm only a child. We will be driving only with our imaginations, of course. We're going to use our imagination as we buckle up and pretend to go on a road trip to a beautiful destination. Now remember, stay calm and be alert at all times. Life may throw some curveballs, but together we can conquer anything. Are you ready? Breathe in calmness and breathe out any fears or worries you may have. I am right here to help. Let's use our checklist to make sure we have everything ready to go. Mirrors in place, check. Tank full of gas, check. Lights working, check. Wipers, check. Navigation system on? Oh wait, that's me. All right, take a spot on the driver's seat and buckle up. Sometimes life has some bumpy roads, and at other times life has a nice route with a lot of pretty scenery. Let's navigate through these roads together. Keep in mind that you always have control of the steering wheel. It's time to back out of the driveway. Make sure you take a deep breath and be aware of your surroundings before you back up. Being prepared is always important. Use your mirrors and be sure to use the signal lights to communicate your plan to others. Now, let's get on the road. Easy does it. You're doing just fine. It looks like there's some speed bumps ahead. You may feel nervous or a little frustrated with the bumps on the road, but you can handle them. Just make sure you proceed with caution. Remind yourself, we will get there when we get there, but safety comes first. Brace yourself as we make our way slowly over the bumps. Remember, if you're feeling a little uneasy or scared, you can always pull over to the side of the road and take a break. Yeek! Starting to rain. Make sure you put your wipers on to wipe away the water so that your view is clear. Prepare yourself. Remember, after a rainy day, a rainbow must come out to play. There we go. The rain is stopping. Take a deep breath and let's keep going. Maybe we will find that rainbow. There's a little bit of fog appearing. Make sure you turn on some fog lights so you can see more clearly. Great job. We made it through. Look ahead. Here comes a bit of a winding road. Make sure both hands are on the steering wheel and your eyes are focused. Take 3 deep breaths to relax your hands and feet. Make sure your hands are gripping the steering wheel comfortably. Great focus. Finally, a nice smooth road. Take in this moment, be aware of your surroundings, and be proud of yourself for getting this far. Oh, stop! There's a duck crossing the road ahead. Sometimes waiting can be a bit annoying. Use this time to think green thoughts as we wait our turn. Green thoughts are helpful and positive thoughts that help us make good choices, such as, I am patient, I can wait. And now we're back on our way. In the distance, I see a beautiful park with a nice pond and play area. Would you like to go? Great! Let's keep going. Don't forget to check your rearview mirror and be mindful of signs along the side of the road. There seems to be a bit of traffic along the street. Make sure you give some personal space in between you and other vehicles. Sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming with all these vehicles around you, and there may even be some honking that you hear. But remember, it's only temporary and you will get through it. Stay calm. The traffic seems to be easing up. Stay focused on your destination. Together, we will get there soon and safely. What's that noise? You're right. I think it's a train. There's a train crossing ahead. Let's make sure that we stop and give some distance between the car and the train so that everyone is safe. It's just like giving some personal space between your car and other cars, or between yourself and other people. You may cover your ears if it's too loud for you. Looks like there's a little detour coming up. There are a few options we can follow. Let's stop, think, and choose what we want to do so that way we can make a decision. First, stop. Calm down and take a slow, deep breath. What are you feeling? Let's think about our option and if there are any consequences to them. Now let's choose the most positive and helpful option. Way to go! The green path it is. Okay, we're getting closer. There's a bridge for us to go over to the other side. We see green grass and a river flowing very calmly. We roll down our windows all the way and feel a nice breeze with the warmth of the sun shining on our arms and face. We smell some yummy food that people are barbecuing nearby. Yum! What other scents do you smell? We approach the bridge. There's a stoplight on the other side. It's turning yellow, so let's approach slowly. Now the light turned red, so we need to stop and be patient. Good job! After we count to 10 slowly, the light will turn green. When it does, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Home stretch. We're just about there. As we are pulling in the parking lot, we notice some colors in the sky. It's a rainbow. In fact, it's a double rainbow for extra luck. It reminds us that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. We made it. You did it with great determination. It's time to unbuckle your seatbelt, let any red unhelpful feelings go, stretch it out, and breathe in the fun that's waiting for you. Repeat to yourself, I am in control. I can navigate through anything. Oh, by the way, here's a delicious popsicle for you before you go out to play. It's quite refreshing after a long road trip, I must say. High five for getting here safely. Have a tweeterific time. Tweet, tweet. Now, did you think about what self-control means to you? Self-control is when you can stop, Think and choose a helpful or good choice, especially when things are a little bit more difficult. What's, what's this? Nee just gave me a yellow popsicle. What do you think is inside? Smells like banana. Bubbles. I have an idea. Before we go, why don't we pretend that these are maybe red thoughts or feeling bubbles? Maybe they're feelings such as sad, worry, angry, or maybe they're thoughts like, I can't do this, I'll never have fun, or I give up. I want you to pop these bubbles away. Are you ready? Nice job. But wait, let's try and make these ones the green thoughts and green feeling bubbles. So maybe they're feelings like loved, excited, or proud, or maybe they're thoughts like, I am creative and I can have fun, or I can stay calm and in control, or maybe even I can navigate through anything. But for these ones, I want you to collect all the bubbles that you can. Nice job. Well, we're reaching the end of our read aloud today. Thank you again for joining Nini and myself. It was so much fun. Remember, stay calm and read on, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care.